Hi everyone. How are you doing? Today channel Sreyoun is going to present you about past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is quite an easy tense to understand and to use. This tense talks about the past and the past. How do we make the past perfect tense? The structure of the past perfect tense is 1. Positive sentence. Form, subject plus et plus verb, past participle, plus object. The main verb is invariable in past participle form, ed or irregular. For example, I had finished my work. She had gone to school. 2. Negative sentence. Form, subject plus et plus not plus verb, past participle, plus object. For negative sentences we insert not between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. For example, I hadn't finished my work. She hadn't gone to school. 3. Question sentence. Form, had plus subject plus verb, past participle, plus object. For question sentences, we exchange the subject and the auxiliary verb. For example, had you finished my work? Had she gone to school? How do we use the past perfect tense? The past perfect tense expresses action in the past before another action in the past. This is the past in the past. For example, the train left at 9 a.m. We arrived at 9:15 a.m. When we arrived, the train had left. Look at some more examples. I wasn't hungry. I had just eaten. They were hungry. They had not eaten for 5 hours. I didn't know who he was. I had never seen him before. You can sometimes think of the past perfect tense like the present perfect tense, but instead of the time being now, the time is before. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.